Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto Wolf channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day where I review solid projects, shit coins you can invest your money in, coin doing massive numbers. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content you'll be among the first to see it. I'll be heading over to CoinMarketCap. I just noticed this token, HarryPorterObamaSonic10inu. HarryPorterObamaSonic10inu. This is the first time I'll be seeing this token. I'll try to review this token and tell you guys my honest opinion about this project. This token is currently is built on the Binance Smart Chain, currently on the watchlist of 359 people, which means this token is relatively new. From DSC scan, you can see that a lot of people have bought this token. I'll be trying to do my own research on this token, get as much information as I can get, while I tell you guys my honest opinion in case you want to buy it and stuff like that. So before we go further, let's quickly look at this token. The chart looks good. Today's chart. Let's check the last 7 days. Right, this is taking a while to load. Could not find any data. I think this token is a relatively new token, or a new token. I don't know if there isn't a rebase mechanism. I'll just quickly want to review the token so that if people want to invest, they can have an idea. Everything I say is for educational purpose. This is not a financial advice. Please make sure you do your research after this video before you invest your money. And if you have an opinion about this particular token, you can leave that in the comment section. So HarryPorterObamaSonic10 is a fun crypto asset that incentivizes the creation of novel and entertaining meme content with ownership renounced and no present developer. So the project has ownership renounced and there is no present developer. Could this be they are trying to tell us that this is a community driven token? So our robust growing community has taken the lead. We have successfully completed the full audit and NFT collection and are pushing for staking partnership, a website with an NFT marketplace, and a one-of-a-kind merchandise and e-commerce based on the legendary meme that inspired the coin's creation. Our goal is to create an ecosystem for active community members to meet, collaborate, share our rich coin lore, and the archive of our token stored history with the world. So basically, this is what they've said about their token. They said this token is a community driven project. Right now it doesn't have utility, but they're having plans, according to what they've said, that to create an NFT collection, then partner with an NFT marketplace and make a way where the token can be staked. They want to have a staking partnership, and they say their smart contract employs 3 functions. Number 1, reflection plus liquidity pool, acquisition born in each trade, 5% fees redistributed to holders. So reflection simply means that when people buy and sell, the holders will get some tokens back, some percentage of the tokens back, and they said 5% to be into the liquidity pool, that and they said the verified ownership has been renounced. So from the information I've seen here so far, I feel if these are actually true, then this could be some good signs. I'll be going on to check the website and using different tools to scan through the token and look for red flags and signs so that I can finalize the review of this particular video. So guys, let's keep moving. The next thing is I'm moving to the official website. Wow, this official website, I don't know, it doesn't look professional in my opinion. This doesn't look professional at all. This doesn't look professional. I don't like this website. I feel they can do something better. This looks very, 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 very unprofessional. But then this is the official website of the project. Maybe I should reload. Maybe it didn't load well. The website looks too busy, too crowded, so many information, so many things at the same time. looks kind of childish, the Harry Potter Obama 10, how to buy, about, Tokenomics team, white paper, audit, funny pictures, Telegram, Discord. I feel this can be better. This looks like a very old type of website. This is not like a 2021 for kind of website. But then from this website, I really don't have much to say about this website, so I'm just going to keep moving. Let me just go on poolcoin.app and scan through the token to see if this token is safe for people that want to find information on this. What kind of website is this? Wow, can you imagine? Look at the music coming from the website. So from token sniffer and poolcoin.app, I'm going to be checking through, giving you guys my information. This token has a market cap of $5 million. The quantity, that is total supply, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, and million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. Wow, the token that is here is too much. The total supply is just too much. This is supposed to be a deflationary token where they can be burning from time to time. But the liquidity, you have $184,000 in the liquidity pool, which is not bad, right? Then the chart, it seems like this token has gone very high some days ago, and came down. From the information I have gotten here, a lot of people are actually buying this token. This token is more like a pump and dump kind of token. That being said, I'm going to go straight to check every other information I can get on this token. I'll go straight to token sniffer. But let me quickly check the contract address. Let me see the number of people holding this token. Then I'll go on to finish this and finalize my video on this project. So how to check the number of people holding the token. This might take a little while to load, and if it's not loading fast, it's not a problem. I can use PS check. Okay, let's keep moving. Token sniffer. From token sniffer, this token has 65/100. Buy fee is 10%, sell fee 9.8, is not an honeypot. Verified contract source. Ownership renounced. Creator not authorized for special permission. All this information makes the token safe. Creator wallet contains 0.21%, but there's a particular wallet that has high amount of this token. You guys need to take cognizance of this. The liquidity is 289 BNB. 95% of the liquidity is locked. Creator wallet contains less than 5%, but there's a particular wallet address that contains large amount of this token. I'm sure BSC check will bring out everything. So we have 1,692 people that have invested in this token. I think it's in its early phase, and I feel 1,692 people are very few. If you want to take a risk on this, that is your decision to make. But then from every information here, the ownership has been renounced. Developer wallet doesn't contain any info. Liquidity information, there's adequate liquidity for now. But the thing is, there's a particular wallet address, a dead address, that has 60.8% of this total token, which is a very, very, very huge red flag. 60.8% of this token is in a particular address that is not locked or burnt. It's a dead address. So guys, you have to do your own research and finalize if you still want to invest in this token or not. These are the informations I've gotten. These are the red flags I've seen. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.